What's up everyone, my name is G, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I say this every time, but today I have a super exciting video because my first love is IKEA, and if you couldn't tell from the title, this is all the stuff I bought in IKEA, so let's do this. Okay, the first thing I got, which is very important, very important, is this box called Kex. And Kex is like the name for biscuits in Sweden. And they have these little chocolate bars called Kex choklad. That was a terrible pronunciation. Kex choklad. I can't say it properly. My Swedish is not up to par. This is just going to be me butchering Swedish. And they have like K, E, Z. I can't remember if they've got the alphabet in there. Let's have a look. Yeah, they do. They have literally A to Z in there. So you can spell out your food. You can spell out whatever you want. You can spell out I am awesome. I don't care. I'm not going to do that. Oh, I can't close it. It's like one of those little latch things. I can't do it because of my nails. But I got this. It was £1.25. I'm gonna keep that receipt there because I'll need it later. For a big box, 175 grams. I'm gonna wolf my way through these. This is what I got. Okay, the next thing I got is actually what my mum asked me to get. So I went to IKEA on the way to Bristol to a gig I went to in Bristol, and then I went to Big Church Day Out. And so I couldn't get any live plants, so I got these fake plants. They're these fake succulents. Can you see them? Yeah, you can see them there. And they're called fika. All my Swedish followers are like cringing right now. Men jag kan prata svenska. Jag kan prata lite svenska. So, hey. And these were, I got 2 of these. She asked me to get 2. I almost broke that then. She asked me to get 2, so 1 for each shoulder, I think. They were, I'll tell you right now, £3 each. So there was £6 in total, £3 each. Not bad actually for a plant that you know isn't gonna die. Okay, the next thing I got is in fact very boring. I got these 2 fiskbo A4, what you call them? What are they called? What are these called? What do they say on them? Something you put a photo in. Photo frame. They're called photo frames. English is my second language. And I was thinking, are these gonna fit in here? Yeah. If you've seen my things I bought in May that I don't hate, I bought one of these. I bought 2 of these actually, I don't know why I said 1. And one is an all-time low one is a real friends one. And I thought I could put them in here and put them there, maybe. These were, I want to say £1.25. They were £1.25 each, which for a photo frame is super cheap. Love that. And the IKEA photo frames are really good. Like, I love them. These are all IKEA photo frames. They are top notch. There's a bit of a theme going on in my bathroom. It's called a pastel pink theme. Oh, these don't look very pastel pink on camera, but I got 2 boxes, 2 tubs like this. And I'm going to put all my bathroom stuff in them. I just thought they were really good, really handy storage boxes to have. I already have, I think I have 4 of them that I keep stuff in for storage that are in boxes ready for me to move out. But I don't know when that's going to be. So these were called sockerbit. And they were £4 each, which I don't know if that's good or bad for storage boxes. Is that bad? They're pastel pink though, like how cute can you get? Super cute. So I'm going to put my bathroom stuff in these and they're going to look super cute and super aesthetic. Aesthetic, not aesthetic. Aesthetic. My English today. The last thing I got is my favourite thing to buy in IKEA. I got the Frakta blue bag with IKEA on the handles. Classic. It's a classic. You can't go to IKEA without getting the bag. And I'm having a clear out at the moment. So I am going to put my clothes that I don't want anymore in there. That was everything that I got from IKEA. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, week, month, year, whatever you are doing. I don't know what that was. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!